Heya, it's your girl Booya and welcome back to another makeup tutorial. So this tutorial is a highly requested one because this is a no makeup tutorial and you guys have been requesting this for so long and finally it's here. By the way, if you're interested to get the products, they will be listed in the description box below. Also guys, some of the links in the description box are affiliate links, which means when you buy products through those links, I may earn a small commission, which will really help sustain this channel. So if you want to support me and my channel in other ways other than liking, viewing my videos, and subscribing to my channel, this is another way of supporting my channel, and I just want to thank you guys so much in advance. So for the base makeup of this no makeup look, I am keeping it very thin. So for me, yung principle ko for this base makeup is the thinner the layer of the foundation, the better. And what I like about the foundation that I'm using right now, which is from Squad Cosmetics, is that even though I apply a very thin layer and build it up to the coverage that I want, it manages to cover my darkest acne marks, which is a very good news for me because I don't have to pile up foundation just to cover the dark marks or just to cover my blemishes. I'm really happy with the formula of Squad Cosmetics liquid foundation. Like, this is the best. For my contour naman, I really like to use this contour stick from Careline. I love using contour sticks kasi cream sila eh. And when you apply it sa skin mo, parang ano siya, magmumukha siyang natural kasi hindi lang siya powder. For me kasi kapag powder, parang ano siya, pinatong na contour. So hindi siya masyadong natural tingnan. And then for the blush, guys, this is one of the tricks that I got when I was working with professional makeup artists. And what they do is they mix their cream blush or liquid blush sa liquid foundation nila. Ano siya, para mas natural tingnan yung blush. Hindi gaano ka pink. Blush from within pa rin yung itsura ng blush. Actually, kulang pa to eh. Kailangan may, liquid highlighter. Pero I don't wanna use liquid highlighter for this look, kaya, ayun. See guys, it's so natural. I super duper love this trick. And for my eyebrows, I'm not being strict with my eyebrows at all. What I did is I just filled in the sparse areas and I just brushed up my brows. And what makes it feathered is the lash glue. I know some people use brow soaps, but I prefer lash glues to feather out my brows. Because I feel like my brows are a little bit stubborn and brow soaps can't hold my eyebrows, so I have to use a stronger formula to feather it out. And then to set my face, I'm using Skin Potion's Glow Dust. This is in the shade Sizzle. Guys, I have been preaching about this powder for so long, and if you haven't tried this out, girl, you are absolutely missing out. For my lips, I'm using the same cream blush from Issy & Co. that I used earlier. And yeah, just dabbing it lightly on my lips. Ang ganda ng color nito kasi parang napaka-natural lang talaga. And for my lashes, I'm curling it with Boktos Lash Curler. And as you can see, grabe talaga yung difference kahit walang mascara. So guys, if you want your eyes to pop, definitely curl your lashes because it will make all the difference. And for mascara, of course, I'm using my all-time favorite mascara, which is L'Oreal's Lash Paradise Super Fave The Bomb Mascara. Alright guys, so this is an extra step, but the highlighter that I used for my body glow is from Skin Potions, and I actually had to dilute it with coconut oil just because yung highlighter medyo nag-dry na siya and hindi na siya nag-glide sa skin smoothly when applying. So when you go to events, when you have photo shoots, applying highlighter is absolutely helpful to add that spice to your look. You can really see the difference between the side with highlighter and the one with just my bare skin. So it makes all the difference. Anyway, so that's it for this no makeup look. I hope you guys loved it. I hope na madali lang siyang sundan. I made it as easy as possible. And again, if you're interested to get the products, they are listed down in the description box below. Again, if you have any makeup or beauty questions for me, don't be shy to message me on my Instagram account. It's @makeupbabooya. My DM is open 24/7 for any beauty questions that you have for me. Also, if you want to be a part of the Boo Fam, we have a Facebook and Discord server. The links to those groups will be in the description box below. Thank you and see you on the next video. Bye!